We'll guide you through how to create an effective prompt for ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, you'll want to start by thinking clearly about the kind of response you need. It's important to be as specific as possible with your prompt to get the best results. You can start by stating the topic or context. For example, if you're looking for help with programming, you might begin your prompt with "in Python programming," followed by your specific question or situation. Next, consider including any relevant details that might help the model understand your request better. For instance, if you're having trouble with a specific function, mention the function name and describe what the issue seems to be. It's also helpful to set expectations for the response by indicating what type of answer you're looking for, like asking for a step-by-step guide or a list of options. Finally, before hitting enter, review your prompt to make sure it's clear and contains all necessary information. Take a moment to think if there's anything else you could add to help ChatGPT give a more accurate response. This approach helps in crafting a prompt that maximizes the usefulness of ChatGPT's response, ensuring you get the most relevant and helpful information. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.